Okay, magandang araw po mga kanumero. It is perimeter and area of the square. So marami pong nalilito dito pagdating sa perimeter, paghanap ng perimeter at area ng square. Ano bang pagkakaiba nila? So given ang square, so represented by S para sa side ng square. So lahat yan S, kaya tinagyan ng letter na S. So ang formula actually ng perimeter is 4S. While the area, ang formula is S squared. So, wag itong kakalimutan. Kasi pag sabi nating perimeter, that is the distance around the polygon. So, pag sabing distance around the polygon, hahanapin mo lang tong distance na to. So, S plus S plus S plus S, that is 4S. And that is for perimeter. Kaya iba yung sa area. So, halimbawa yung side natin, ang measure niya is 4 cm. So, to solve for the perimeter, so just use the formula 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. And that is 16 centimeter is the perimeter. While the area, formula for the area is S squared. Nagkataon na parehas. So 4 squared is equal to 16. And then we have centimeter. So that is centimeter squared. So this is for the perimeter. This is for the area. Pero syempre, kung mag-iba, papalitan natin ito, sabihin natin this is 5. So ganun lang, palit lang tayo rito. So this will become 5. And then, 4 times 5 is 20. And then, dito naman, 5 squared is 5 times 5, so which is equal to 25 centimeters squared. So that is the area, and then this is the perimeter of the square. So area dapat naka-square centimeter, at ito hindi, kasi perimeter lang siya.